Hello class. So today we're going to be learning about Socrative, which is an online quiz-taking tool. So up until this point, we've been learning about social cognition and schemas, and we learned about this through PowerPoint and through discussion and through in-class examples. And now, after going through this unit, it is time to assess how well you understand this material. And this will be done technologically through a tool called Socrative. Now, this tool can be accessed through multiple ways. One way is through typing in a website. The other way is through an app which you can download on iOS and Android. But today we're going to be using the website. So for you guys, you're going to use the student login. And from there, I have to give you the room name. Now this is done through the teacher portal, but first let me open up the quiz. And then I will provide you with the room number, which is Gomez 7870. Alright, so type that in. And then join. And then after joining, you have to put in your real name. And this is important because if you don't put in your real name, you won't get a grade for the quiz. For now, I'm going to put in a fake name and enter. After entering, you guys will see that you have 10 multiple choice questions and then 1 free response question. For the free response question, just choose either prompt and then write 3 to 6 sentences. You will have 15 minutes to complete this quiz, and then after you are done, just press finish quiz. It will then ask you to confirm, and then you will be done with your quiz. And if you have completed your quiz before the 15 minutes are up, just wait quietly in your seat for your fellow classmates to finish, and then wait for me to dismiss you and you may leave.